Good evening, everybody. This is your boy, Mr. H. Tonight, I'm going to unboxing Converse 70 high top Clot. Check out the box. Plain and simple. I'm liking it. Written on Chinese. And check it out, yo. Oh man. Fresh from the box. You feel me? Bada bing, bada boom. Check it out. Woo-woo. Woo-woo. Check out the colorway. Off-white, I think. Red came with two lace. White and a Clot colorway design. Red and white. Man, between those two laces, I'm going for the red one. And also check out the tongue. Oh man, check out the design, yo. I'm loving it. And also check out the sole. Give me 1 minute. Check out, yo. The sole is much thicker than the regular Converse shoes that I've been wearing them. And man, I believe that I can wear these shoes and walk around for the actual miles compared to other Converse shoes I've been having. Man, the shoes of Converse, the shoes, they can match anything, jeans, shorts, t-shirts, anything. It's backwards? Oh. Oh, my bad. This is the front tongue. This is the back. My bad. Okay. So let me try it on. Just how it feels, how it looks. Okay? Until then, talk to among yourself, okay? Peace. I have a bit trouble put the shoes on my feet because this is my first high top shoes with Converse. Nonetheless, I liking it. It feels great, looks great with jeans, like I said before. And between the white and the red one, to me, I like both of them. I might switch back and forth, depends on my mood, depending on what clothes I've been wearing, especially the colors of clothes that I've been wearing. Other than that, I like it. Not bad at all, man. Not bad at all. So I'm trying them on. Feel true to fit. However, I was size 6. While on Nike, I wear size 7. So between the white and the Clot lace, the both are great in my opinion. Comfort, it's about the same typical Converse shoes. I can feel the heel support. Other than that, the design, the colorway, in my opinion, 5 out of 5. Comfort for walking, between 3 and 4 out of 5, I believe so. Other than that, I love design. It's great. Take it in again. Take it to washing. Subscribe me. Leave a comment. Until time. Peace.